What if the most miraculous, mind-bending fact in the entire universe isn't how black holes form or how galaxies collide, but the sheer improbable miracle that you are alive right now, listening to these words? What if every atom in your body spent billions of years traveling through supernovas, ancient oceans, and prehistoric Earth just to assemble into the conscious human being you are today? Welcome to Book Essence, where we unlock the essence of every book so you get the wisdom without spending weeks reading. Today, we are breaking down A Short History of Nearly Everything by Bill Bryson, an extraordinary journey through time, space, geology, and biology that explains how we went from absolute nothingness to where we are right now. Let us unlock it. To understand our existence, Bill Bryson takes us back to the ultimate starting point, the Big Bang. In a fraction of a second, the entire universe, every planet, star, atom, and galaxy exploded out of space infinitely smaller than a single grain of sand. Bryson forces us to grapple with the unfathomable scale and fine-tuned harmony of the cosmos. Consider the fundamental laws of physics, gravity, electromagnetism, and nuclear forces. If any of these constants had been tuned even a fraction of a millimeter differently at the moment of creation, stars would never have formed, atoms would have flown apart, and life would be completely impossible. Furthermore, Bryson reminds us of our true position in space. The universe is terrifyingly vast, and our solar system sits in a quiet, isolated corner of the Milky Way. Even traveling at the speed of light, it would take us thousands of years just to leave our cosmic neighborhood. We are floating on a tiny, fragile blue dot in an endless ocean of void, surviving purely because of a series of cosmic coincidences. How did humans manage to measure the weight of the Earth, map the solar system, and calculate the speed of light long before modern satellites and supercomputers existed? In this section, Bryson celebrates the eccentric, brilliant, and often bizarre scientists who unlocked the mysteries of Earth's dimensions. Think about Sir Isaac Newton, who sat in his room inventing calculus, formulating the laws of motion, and calculating gravity, while routinely sticking needles into his own eye socket just to study how optics worked. Or consider Henry Cavendish, a deeply eccentric genius who built a massive wooden apparatus in his shed in the late 17th century to measure the density of the Earth, coming up with a calculation remarkably close to our modern satellite measurements. Bryson illustrates that scientific discovery was never a smooth, straightforward line of genius. It was a messy, competitive, and unpredictable journey carried out by obsessed individuals who dedicated their entire lives to answering basic questions. How big is our home? How old is it? And what is it made of? While human beings love to view the Earth as a stable, permanent paradise built specifically for us, Bryson delivers a sobering geological wake-up call. The Earth is an inherently dangerous, restless planet. First, look beneath us. The crust of the Earth is as thin as the skin on an apple. Beneath that fragile surface lies a swirling cauldron of molten rock and fierce thermal energy. Tectonic plates are constantly grinding against one another, building stress that releases through catastrophic earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. Bryson highlights massive supervolcanoes, like the one sitting quietly beneath Yellowstone National Park. A major eruption at Yellowstone would instantly bury half the United States in toxic ash and plunge the global climate into a volcanic winter, threatening human civilization. Second, look above us. The solar system is a cosmic shooting gallery filled with rogue asteroids and comets. Earth has been struck by massive space rocks repeatedly, most famously 66 million years ago, when a 6-mile-wide asteroid obliterated the dinosaurs in a single afternoon. Earth does not care about our comfort. Survival on this planet requires constant adaptability. To understand how life took root, Bryson shifts our attention from cosmic scales to two invisible realms, deep time and the microscopic world. First, consider the concept of deep time. If Earth's 4.5 billion year history were compressed into a single 24-hour day, life appears early in the morning as basic single-celled organisms. Complex life forms do not emerge until around 8 p.m. Dinosaurs walk the Earth at 10:35 p.m. and disappear by 11:39 p.m. Human beings do not arrive until less than 2 seconds before midnight. For almost the entire history of Earth, life belonged exclusively to bacteria. Bryson highlights that bacteria are the true rulers of planet Earth. They survived billions of years of ice ages, asteroid impacts, and extreme radiation. They live inside our stomachs, digest our food, process our atmosphere, and recycle organic matter. Without bacteria, human life would collapse in a matter of days. How did non-living chemicals come together to create living, conscious organisms? Bryson explores the incredible puzzle of biological life and the miracle of DNA. DNA is the most complex instruction manual in the universe. Inside a single human cell, the DNA strand contains 3 billion chemical base pairs, enough information to fill a dense library of books. Yet every single cell in your body executes these genetic instructions flawlessly millions of times a day. However, alongside the miracle of life sits the harsh reality of extinction. Bryson reminds us that over 99% of all species that have ever lived on Earth are now extinct. Life on Earth is characterized by massive die-offs, the Big Five mass extinction events, where global catastrophes wiped out up to 95% of all living species. Survival is not a right given to any species. It is an exceptional privilege granted to those that adapt to shifting environments. In the final section of the book, Bryson traces our own evolutionary origins. The story of human evolution is not a neat, straight ladder leading directly from apes to modern humans. It's a messy, tangled bush of different hominid species, like Homo erectus, Neanderthals, and Denisovans, that lived, competed, and interbred over millions of years. Against incredible odds, a small population of Homo sapiens in Africa survived climate shifts and environmental collapses, spreading across the globe to build language, culture, technology, and science. However, Bryson closes with an urgent, somber warning about the human footprint. Wherever Homo sapiens arrived throughout history, massive extinctions of megafauna followed. From the dodo bird to the passenger pigeon to thousands of plant and animal species today, human civilization has become a planetary force, driving a 6th mass extinction event. We possess godlike power over the biosphere, but we often exercise that power with reckless ignorance. Let us bring together the greatest lessons from A Short History of Nearly Everything by Bill Bryson. 1. Appreciate the miracle of existence. You are the result of an unbroken 3.8 billion year chain of biological luck and cosmic alignment. 2. Respect the power of science. Human progress is driven by relentless curiosity, humility, and the brave pursuit of truth by obsessed individuals. 3. Recognize Earth's fragility. Our planet is dynamic, volatile, and dangerous. Civilization exists by geological consent, subject to change at any moment. 4. Acknowledge the microscopic realm. Bacteria and single-celled organisms are the true foundation of life on Earth. 5. Take responsibility as stewards. We are the only species capable of understanding our history and protecting the remaining biodiversity. Bill Bryson leaves us with an unforgettable, deeply moving thought. Life is an astonishing gift. We are incredibly fortunate to exist, to possess consciousness, and to spend our brief moment in the sun understanding the universe we inhabit. That is the essence of A Short History of Nearly Everything, and that's what we do here at Book Essence. We take the world's most powerful books and unlock their wisdom, so you can build something real, starting from exactly where you are. If this video brought you value, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to marvel at the wonder of science today. Every week on Book Essence, a new book, a new lesson, a new chance to grow. Until next time, keep reading, keep growing, and keep unlocking your essence. See you in the next one.